All right, guys, I got the oil pan out of the car. It took a few hours to do so. Had to end up dropping the alternator and kind of moving the wire harnesses out of the way. But overall, it was pretty straightforward. Lots of 10mm bolts to fiddle with, but surprisingly, were mostly all kind of loose. But anyway, here's a shot of the underside of the block, and I have my stand kind of supporting things as well. So pardon the 2x4 and the stand, but everything looks good in here, and nice to see nothing unusual. Anyway, quick update. The pan is out, and walking over here to the table. Here's the pan. You can see the old gasket's got some cracks in it and some tears, which is probably why it was seeping oil. But luckily, nothing has fallen into the pan and nothing unusual there, so that's good again. So I'll just go through and scrub it, clean it, brake parts cleaner, prime this, prep the surface here, and get it ready to be reinstalled. So that'll be the next order of the business. And I actually spent a little while cleaning everything up here, and so everything's nice and clean. All the harnesses are clean, and the front of the engine, and even there was some oil here on the lower control arm and such, on the the steering rack. So just really spent a lot of time cleaning actually when you develop an oil leak. And thank God for inexpensive brake parts cleaner from Walmart. Went through about a case of that stuff today. So anyway, more to come. Thanks.